Hey, my name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director.
And I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection. And the seasons are changing. The days are getting a little longer, a little warmer.
Can't believe already.
I know. And we love to change up our routines and what we're using. So we have some new spring must-haves for you that we've been just trying out and loving. So let's get started. All right. To kick it off, we have Sephora Collection's Ultra Glow Serum. This is their Glow and Strengthen Vitamin C Serum. And what I like about this is it's vitamin C, vitamin E, and peptides. So it's going to strengthen your skin.
Yeah.
It's just really great if your skin's feeling a little bit dull after the winter months. This will kind of brighten you up. And it's a serum. So it does look like an oil, but it's a serum. So it absorbs really quickly, layers well with a lot of products.
Yeah, and to your point, I think it's really great when you're in the sun a little bit more, things are warming up. Obviously, make sure you're wearing your SPF to prevent those dark spots, but this is going to do the job overnight to kind of help prevent that as well, or take care of any that might have popped up. So this is a brand new brand.
I'm excited.
For this. So this is from Crown Affair, and it's the oil.
Okay.
I love this brand because their formulas are super minimalist. You just get what you need. And this oil is basically going to help with the split ends, pumping moisture back in, also great for heat protection.
Love it.
You know, coming out of the winter, colder months, I feel like you're going into heaters inside, then you're going outside to super brisk cold that's super dry, and your hair just it gets those effects. You know, it needs a little bit of love to come back from that. So that's where my head's at with this one. And Crown Affair is all about the ritual. You basically just take a few drops, break it between your two hands, and then work it mid shaft to ends while your hair is damp.
Okay.
They instruct while your hair is damp. But I just love that they kind of take a moment to talk about the ritual. You know, for me, hair care and skincare is like my self-care. So I really liked that.
All right, next we have something new from NARS. So this is their light reflecting foundation, and I have given this a whirl a few times now, and I have to say I love it. It has a really great finish to it. It's perfect for spring. So it has a good amount of coverage, but it feels really lightweight and looks like it has a light reflection to it. It's not a matte. It's definitely something that has
that
radiance.
Natural glow. Like the lit from within glow,
exactly.
Right?
And the way it covers, it's one of those things that it covers a good amount, it's going to give you the coverage you want, but it feels like you're wearing nothing. It's awesome.
Yep. That's the win-win. That's where you want to be.
Yeah, and it has loads of shades. So I just love that. I think that it's really important to have something for everyone.
Something for everyone,
yeah. But see how it is super light, but it gives really beautiful coverage.
It almost looks like it could have a serum base. That's beautiful.
It's stunning on. I love it.
Okay, we have to talk about lipstick. You know I love my lipsticks. And springtime, it's the best time to switch it up and do something a little more playful. So Fenty Beauty by Rihanna just came out with this really incredible refillable lipstick. So this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fenty Icon The Case. And then you also have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fenty Icon The Fill, and this is a semi-matte lipstick. So basically this goes inside of the case. But let me show you. I have the shade that I'm actually wearing today inside already. It's called Ballin' Babe. Basically,
so appropriate. I love it.
So basically all you have to do is kind of twist this and it pops right up.
So cute.
Pull it out and then that's your lipstick.
That is chic. So
Isn't it? And so basically what you can do is it's the one component, right? So say if I want to wear my other shade here, I'm just going to take this lipstick out of the base. And then I can put the other one inside. I'm going to take off the protective top and literally just pop it in.
Oh my gosh. That's so innovative. I love it.
It's amazing, sustainably minded. You can have a bunch of lipsticks and just the one component that's super chic to pull it out of your purse.
Yes.
And lots of fun shades for springtime.
And lastly, we have an absolutely gorgeous fragrance launch from the 7 Virtues. This is called Lotus Pear. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. It's a floral. It's really light. It has rose in it. It has geranium.
But the pear.
I know, the pear.
I love pear. To me, it's a better version of the apple. And I think that's why it's used so often in fragrance. It's just a little less sweet.
Yes.
And it's fresh.
This is stunning.
This is beautiful. Helen, you might have found my springtime fragrance.
Okay, great.
I love that. Helen, I feel like we could literally sit here and talk about all of our favorites for so long. Our team here at the studio had to limit us because we would sit here all day long.
It's true.
But leave us a comment. Let us know if there's anything that you're loving. We're always looking for some new goodies.
Yes.
And like this video to show us some love. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more like this. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.